This is a full set of 2.5-inch universal fit Bi-xenon HID projector lens. These projectors have very small dimensions. They fit most of the car headlights. To install these projectors, you have to open your headlight housing and reseal it after installing. The package contains 2 pieces 2.5-inch projectors with CCFL Halo Rings, 2 pieces 35-watt HID Xenon Bulbs, here HID Xenon Bulbs, 2 pieces 35-watt HID Ballasts, 2 ballasts, 2 pieces CCFL Halo Ring drivers, CCFL Halo Ring drivers, 1 piece of wiring harness, this one, wiring harness, also 1 pack of adapter plates, These plates make the projectors universal fit. Silicone pad. This plate is for H4 headlight. H4. And this one is for H7. H1 and H7. This is for 9005, 9006.